Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Affiliate programs. Discover how to find the right products. Of course, you can promote your own products or services if you have ones. This is the best option to succeed because this way you receive a 100% profit of what you sell. Another way is to buy resale rights, promote the products using AdWords and keep all the profits too. However, majority of us do not have our own products or services. Therefore, we can join various affiliate programs and promote them. However, what programs to join? Picture this. You have selected an affiliate program that looked promising to you. You researched your keywords and set up AdWords campaigns. You wait for your profit to roll in. You spend $10, then $50, then $100 on the AdWords advertising and still do not see a single sale. Does sound familiar? It happens to the majority of new advertisers after they run their first AdWords campaigns. In addition, you probably think that making money with AdWords is just another swindle and it does not work. Well, there can be many reasons why there was not a single sale made. Moreover, one of the reasons may be affiliate product selection. The online ebooks like Google Cash and Google AdWords 123 have excellent sections about how, where and why to select one or another affiliate program to advertise using Google AdWords. When choosing a profitable product, you have to check sales letter carefully. Product owners should pay high commissions, place lifetime cookies on visitors' browsers, etc. However, what I couldn't find in any of the ebooks that I have read so far is that you should promote two-tier or residual income, with lifetime commissions, programs. When you promote your affiliate links, you need to know two very important things about two-tier programs. 1. You will earn big money on every direct sale you make. 2. You will make even more money when people use it to sign up under you and start promoting it. Imagine an entire army of several 100s, each selling the affiliate products. This would mean 100s of commissions for you, altogether equaling $1,000s in your pocket every month. If only you could recruit several of customers for two-tier or residual income products or services, you could make thousands lifetime. Therefore, for locating the affiliate niche market, first think about the topics you are interested in. For example, this could be sports to specifically soccer, pets to dog pictures, cooking Indian cuisine to curry recipes, and so on. Notice how we have broken down those main categories into subcategories. Now this could be taken further and further. Soccer to learning foot tricks, dogs to dog pictures, curry recipes to for the lactose intolerant. Curries contain a lot of cream. This is niche thinking in action. Do not get stuck on too broad niche categories. Most new affiliates face this common mistake. After you have found your niche, you should examine if an affiliate product already exists for this niche. Remember first to look for the two-tier or residual income affiliate programs. Act now. Select your target niche, an affiliate program, and implement the strategy that we just talked about. This is what super affiliates do. They implement new ideas immediately. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net